teachers. Only high-tech schools benefit from AI. AI takes away the human touch from education. I'm sure you're all overloaded with these myths surrounding AI in education, right? Don't worry. In this video, I will tell you the real facts behind AI in education. As rightly said by George Couros, an international educator, technology will never replace great teachers. But in the hands of great teachers, it's going to be transformational. Let's take a look at two fictional schools, one the Bright School and the Normal School, to understand the real impact of AI in education. In the Bright School, teachers utilize AI-based applications to their advantage. These tools allow them to create lessons in seconds, tailored to their students' levels and packed with high-quality content. They can also automate their routine tasks like attendance and grading. Thus, they can free up more time for meaningful interactions with their students. Without AI, the teachers in the normal school would spend significant amount of time on activities that may not directly improve the student outcomes. Now, let's shift our focus to the students. In many schools, a one-size-fits-all approach is still followed, making it challenging to improve the personalized attention to each student. But with AI, we can change that. Imagine having an AI tutor who can help students with their queries, create personalized learning plans, and provide valuable insights to the teachers about the students' learning patterns. By tracking the complete learning curve, the AI can empower educators to tailor the lessons and also support the individual students' needs. According to reports, 74% of teachers are already using AI technology in their classrooms. But now it's time for a reality check. Not all AI tools are created equal, especially when it comes to education. Using generic tools like chatbots might not provide the desired benefits in the educational setting. So it's very essential to choose the right AI tool which is specifically designed for the educational purposes. So, now what do you think about the role of AI in education? Do you believe that it is a key to unlock learners' full potential? Or do you have concerns about its impact? We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting discussions on education and technology.